What if I told you the most important skill for a car designer isn't sketching? What if mastering one secret skill was the key to getting hired instantly? Before a single drawing is made, before any clay is molded, the entire feeling of a new car is born. So, how do designers at brands like Porsche or Lamborghini make sure a car has an insane story built into every last part? Most people think it all starts with a drawing. They are 100% wrong. It doesn't start with the car at all. It starts with a secret blueprint, a tool that tells the car story before it even exists. This is the document that builds the entire narrative of the car, and today I'm going to show you exactly what it is and how putting this in your portfolio is the single most powerful way to show a recruiter you have what it takes. So, what is this incredible secret? Stay with me for the next few minutes because I'm about to show you is the one thing I reveal first in every portfolio. It's the mood board. And I know what you're thinking. Isn't that just a collage of pretty pictures? No, this is 1,000 times more powerful. In car design, a mood board is a visual story so powerful words could never capture it. It's the secret weapon they use to define the emotional tone, the look, and the core DNA of a new car before the real design work even begins. Imagine it trying to drive across the country with no GPS. You would be completely lost. The mood board is the GPS for the entire design team. It sets a crystal clear direction and makes sure everyone, from designers to engineers, is speaking the exact same visual language. For an aspired designer, showing this in your portfolio proves you understand professional workflow. It tells a hiring manager you don't just create, you plan. Pause right here and tell me, what is the biggest challenge in your portfolio right now? I'll answer you personally in the comments. But do not leave, because if you click away now, you miss the secret I have used for 20 years in this industry. The first step in building this visual story has nothing to do with the car. It's all about the driver. Designers create something called a user mood board to figure out the main character of their story. This board turns boring ideas like age, lifestyle, and values into something you can see. Is the driver a rich architect who loves minimalism design? Or are they an adventurer who needs a super rugged truck? The mood board literally captures this person. It might have pictures of the clothes they wear, the phone they use, or the art they love. This isn't just boring marketing, it's about creating an emotional connection. By building a clear picture of the driver, designers guarantee the car connects with them. In a portfolio, this is everything. It proves to a hiring manager that you're not just designing for yourself, you're designing for a customer, and that is a no-negotiable skill. Okay, once the hero is set, designers build their entire world. This is the inspiration board, and this is where the car style is born. This is where designers look way outside of the car world for game-changing ideas. Just look at the Ferrari 12 cilindri. The team wanted to create a radical new design language and a clear break from previous cars. So their mood boards weren't just fast cars. They blended the elegance of 1960s Grand Tours with futuristic, sci-fi, and aeronautical concepts to tell a story of sophisticated modern power. The designers at Seat and Cupra literally find inspiration in everything from Barcelona's graffiti to modernist buildings. Putting this in a portfolio is what separates a student from a pro. It proves you can turn inspiration from anywhere into a real idea. Which one of these have you used? Comment 1 for driver or 2 for the world. I'll give you personalized tips. And stick around because the technique I'm about to show you is worth more than a 2,000 course. Not kidding. And if you're finding these industry secrets useful for your own creative journey, do us a favor and smash that subscribe button. We share secrets from inside the design world every single week that you will not want to miss. This is the moment where the story comes to life, and it's what hiring managers are desperate to see in a portfolio. A great mood board doesn't just inspire the team, it directly tells them what to draw. The link between a random photo and a physical sketch becomes unbelievably clear. In 30 seconds, I'll show you the mistakes that is costing you jobs. Don't miss it. A perfect example is the Cupra Tavascan concept. The team wanted a feeling of mystery with a human touch. On their mood board, they used the powerful photo of a person's back, focusing on the spine and shoulders. That one photo directly inspired the car seat upholstery design. This created a real physical link between the idea of humanity and the car's interior. It's insane. When a recruiter sees the clear connection in your portfolio, the mood board right next to the sketch it inspired, it's game over. They see a designer who can turn a feeling into a form. You're not just showing them a cool car, you're showing them you can execute a professional design process from start to finish. I'm challenging you to try this. Comment done when you finish this exercise and send me by DM on my Instagram. I want to see how many of you actually do it. With this foundation, the rest of the story is easy. This visual blueprint keeps the entire car perfectly consistent. The feeling created in the mood boards guides everything, from the car silhouettes to its color options, and even the layout of the digital dashboard. Now, if you're serious about taking your portfolio to the next level and want my guidance, click on the card above to watch the video with the detailed information about my one-on-one mentoring program. We'll talk about your goals, your design style, and how to make your portfolio truly stand out. So, the next time you see a car that just feels perfect, where every single part works together, you know it didn't happen by accident. It started long before the first sketch with a carefully told story. And for any aspiring designers watching this, showing you can tell that story isn't just a skill, it's your golden ticket into the industry. It all begins with the mood board, the blueprint that turns a machine of metal and glass into a story on wheels. If this video helps you get a job, I want to hit the subscribe button. It's completely free and help us make more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!